Show me what you did, buddy.
All right. Well, we got the toilet set, flushed,
Okay.
caulked, not leaking.
You check the connections up against the wall with your hand real quick.
Yeah.
Show me.
Everything's dry.
All right, good deal. No wobbling.
No,
The toilet's not wobbling.
no, we had to sit on it once or twice, but it's ready.
Guys, show me flush.
Flush it real quick.
Here's the toilet paper flush, brother.
Awesome.
And then hold on.
No leaks.
Awesome.
Bolt, another bolt.
Oh, that caulk looks good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I did
The
that.
cap on good, or is it gonna fall off?
The
It's
cap.
on there. We screwed it on. It's on right.
All right. Well, cool. It looks good, guys.
Caulk line.
Oh, that looks good.
No leaks. And
There you go.
flush.
Toilet number 2 set and inspected.
Quality control inspection number 2.
Number 2 passed inspection. Good job, Jeremy.